Ever wondered why Bangkok is so popular? What is it about this city that draws millions of tourists every year? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about the city's bustling streets, the locals' warm smiles, or even the shimmering temples that seem to touch the sky. It's a combination of all these elements and more. Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand, is a city that never sleeps. Its popularity among globetrotters is as rich as the city's cultural tapestry. A blend of the old and new, Bangkok offers an array of experiences that cater to every traveler's whim. The city's cultural richness is palpable in every corner, from the grandeur of its ancient temples to the rhythmic hum of its colorful markets. Its scenic beauty is a visual feast, while its pulsating nightlife promises endless excitement. And let's not forget the food scene that has foodies around the world raving about it. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the heart of Bangkok and its most visited places. Bangkok's charm lies in its myriad attractions. From temples to markets, there's something for everyone. First on our list is the Grand Palace. This majestic complex, once the official residence of the kings of Siam, is a stunning display of Thai architecture at its finest. The palace grounds are dotted with numerous buildings, halls and pavilions set around open lawns, gardens and courtyards. The intricate designs and gleaming spires are a sight to behold, making the Grand Palace an absolute must-visit. Next up, we have Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. This Buddhist temple, named after the Hindu god Aruna, symbolizes the rising sun with its radiant spires that glow with the morning's first light. The temple's unique design, adorned with colorful porcelain, sets it apart from other landmarks. The breathtaking view from the top is worth the climb, offering a panoramic vista of Bangkok. Now let's talk about the Chatuchak Weekend Market. Imagine a place where you can find almost anything. That's Chatuchak for you. With over 15,000 stalls spread across 27 sections, this market is one of the largest in the world. From antiques and clothing to food and plants, the variety is astounding. The lively atmosphere, bustling with locals and tourists alike, is an experience in itself. Finally, we have Asiatique the Riverfront. This large open-air mall combines shopping, dining, sightseeing, activities, and events under one roof. Nestled by the Chao Phraya River, it offers a unique experience of waterfront shopping. As night falls, the place comes alive with a vibrant night market, a giant Ferris wheel lighting up the skyline, and live performances that entertain visitors till late. These popular spots only scratch the surface of what Bangkok has to offer. No trip to Bangkok is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey, unraveling the rich tapestry of flavors that define Bangkok's food scene. Thai cuisine is a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. A symphony of taste that dances on the tongue. First on our list is the quintessential Pad Thai. This stir-fried noodle dish is a culinary symbol of Thailand, with its hearty combination of rice noodles, tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, and peanuts, all tossed in a tangy tamarind sauce. The result? A delightful medley of textures and flavors that'll make your taste buds sing. But a true Thai culinary adventure goes beyond Pad Thai. Enter Tom Yum Goong, a hot and sour shrimp soup that serves as a testament to the complexity of Thai flavors. It's a perfect balance of spicy, sour, and a hint of sweet, thanks to the fragrant herbs like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves that infuse the broth. And let's not forget dessert. Mango sticky rice is a beloved Thai classic. Imagine succulent slices of ripe mango served alongside glutinous rice, all drenched in sweet coconut milk. It's a simple yet satisfying end to any meal. Now, where do you find these culinary treasures? Bangkok is brimming with food markets, each offering a unique dining experience. Or, Torkor Market is one such gem, ranked among the world's best fresh markets. Here you can savor a wide array of Thai dishes, fresh fruits, and local snacks all under one roof. But the food journey doesn't stop there. The street food scene in Chinatown is a must-visit, especially at night. The streets come alive with food stalls, each one a beacon of mouth-watering aromas that lure you in. From grilled seafood to noodle soups and tropical fruits, it's a food lover's paradise. Every bite in Bangkok promises an explosion of flavors, leaving you longing for more. The city's culinary landscape is a celebration of Thai culture, a testament to its people's love for food. So, when in Bangkok, eat like the locals, and let your palate embark on an unforgettable journey. So, what sets Bangkok apart from other cities? Well, let's delve into that. The vibrancy of Bangkok's street life is unparalleled. Day or night, the streets are a colorful spectacle of food vendors, market stalls, and buzzing tuk-tuks. It's a city that truly never sleeps, keeping pace with the constant hum of activity. The cityscape is another unique attribute of Bangkok, a remarkable blend of modern and traditional architecture, where towering skyscrapers stand shoulder to shoulder with ornate temples, presenting a visual feast that is distinctly Bangkok. And let's not forget the people. The friendly locals with their warm smiles and welcoming nature are the true heart of the city. Their kindness and hospitality never fail to enchant visitors. Lastly, the affordability of Bangkok sets it apart. It's a city where luxury and budget coexist, making it accessible to travelers of all budgets. Bangkok, with its unique blend of experiences, continues to captivate the hearts of travelers. As we come to the end of our journey, it's clear why Bangkok holds such a special place in the hearts of many. This city is a melting pot of experiences, from its dazzling temples and grand palaces to its bustling markets and vibrant nightlife. It's a city that never sleeps, constantly alive with the hum of activity. We've explored the top attractions, like the awe-inspiring Grand Palace and the serene Wat Arun, each a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. We've savored the flavors of Bangkok's gastronomy, a culinary adventure that takes you from the aromatic street food stalls to the upscale eateries. We've also delved into what sets Bangkok apart, its unique blend of tradition and modernity, the warmth of its people, and the energy that pulsates through its streets. Bangkok is more than just a city, it's an experience, a spectacle, a feast for the senses. When are you planning your visit?